Hello student, today I am going to teach you computer. Today I am going to continue the same chapter that name is more on internet. So today I am going to continue with next topic, website. A website is a set of related web pages containing contents, media such as text, image, video, audio, etc. about many things such as a person, business organization, educational institute and games. So students, as we all studied about internet, in which we have already studied about a part World Wide Web, and today I'm going to teach you a website. So have you seen website? It is a part of internet. Whenever you are uh, want to you want to find something on internet, you should know a particular website. If you want to go on internet to search about any educational institute, you have to go the particular website of the same institute. Understand? If you want to go on newspaper site, then you have to enter newspaper website. Understand? So you should know that website is a collection of pages on the World Wide Web. You know, World Wide Web, it is a part of internet. It may be of magazines, e-commerce website, blog websites, portfolio, social media websites and educational website, or more and more. So you should know that a website contain related to many more data about text. You can see text on the website. It may have images, video, audio and etc. So student, let's take a example. Have you seen book in which you have many pages? So like a book, it is also like a book. Whenever we click on any website, the particular information of that website is shown in front of us in a form of pages. So the next topic is web pages. It is a part of website. You know, whenever we open website, the web page will open and you can see the particular information about it. Web page is a part of website. So web page is a part of website. It is a document or information that is stored in a electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. You know, web page is like a information or a document that is stored in a electronic form. Electronic form means digitally form on a computer net memory. So we can find it by through internet. It can be physically many times the length of an A4 sheet of a paper or only a few lines. Understand? So it may contain A4 sheet of paper or a few lines in a web page. So student, you can see the figures. First figure show you web page of www.msn.com, in which you can see the web page of particular website MSN, and the website of www.google.co.in, in which you can see the website which you are seeing. It is of Google. When you click on internet www.google.com, the website of Google will open. Understand? So in simple form, the web page is a specific information provided by a website and displayed to us in a web browser. Understand? Now the next topic is home page. The very first page which appears when you open a website is called the home page of that website. Home page is like a gateway by which you can go through all over websites. Understand? Or many pages are related to front page like home page. The first page you have seen on the website. Whenever you open a new book, the first page you have seen of chapter 1, that is called home page. So same in the internet, when you open any website, the first page you have seen is of home page of that website. For example, look at the home page of www.friendspublic.com. This page contains the introductory information about the website. You can see the figure. When you enter this website in internet web browser, you can see the front page, or you can say home page, in which the information related to the website is given. Understand? Now next topic is hyperlinks. A web page also contains hyperlinks which add text and pictures. Hyperlinks may be a text or picture. A hyperlink text is generally underlined, shown in different colors. If you click a hyperlink, it leads you to the part of a web page to which it's linked. So students, whenever you open a website or a home page or any web page, the pictures or text in colored form you have seen on the particular web page. When you click on the particular text or picture which is in colored form, which is in dark form and bold form, when you click on it, you can observe that the new page will open related to it, which already linked to it. Understand? So that new page is of hyperlink of new particular page. Understand? Like when you click on first page, that is of home page. If you have seen any picture or text in colored form, when you click on it, the new page will open related to it. Understand? One thing more, when you move your mouse pointer over a hyperlink, you can observe that when you move your mouse pointer over a hyperlink, the mouse pointer generally take the shape of a hand as shown. The mouse pointer firstly in a shape of triangle, arrow shape. Then when you move your mouse pointer over a hyperlink, the mouse pointer will change its shape in a hand. Okay, you can observe that when you click on it, the new page will open. So this is the video of second part of the same chapter, more on internet. The next topic I will take in next video, that is of URL. You can revise it in advance. Understand? URL means Uniform Resource Locator. You can search or internet, collect information related to it, and I will tell you about it in next video. So stay tuned, stay healthy, have a good day.